Alright guys, I will be showing my Funko Pop collection. I don't have that many. I have 12 of them right now. Hoping to expand it. I have got Ultron. His head is sideways. Don't know why. I have another bobblehead that is Marvel, and it's Ant-Man. They shipped it to me like this, okay, with no goggles or whatever they are. I was upset. It's got a few dents in it. Camera focus. You can barely see him. It's got a few smudges on it too. Upset by not returning it because I paid full money for it. So. Got Daryl Dixon from The Walking Dead. I believe it is season 2 and 1. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then John Hancock from Fallout 4. Recently got him. Got Rick Grimes from The Walking Dead season 3, I believe. I don't remember. Not really watching that right now. I had the Borderlands 2 Psycho, one of my personal favorites, just because of the awesome detail on it. I have the Locust Drone, and this one is probably my favorite because of the attention to detail on it. Yeah, it's got a few things right there. The arm, however, looks supposed to be gray right there. That little line is. So they miscolored it, but I'll forgive them. Got Kratos from the God of War series. Pretty sure most of you played that if you have a PlayStation. Yeah, they even got a scar. Which I find is funny. It's kind of cute, actually. And then my personal favorite, the Killer Croc Batman impersonator, I think is what he's called. Then I got, rest in peace, I have Abraham Ford from The Walking Dead season 4 or 5. It's one of those. I believe it's 4. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Got the Whiterun Guard. His sword is kind of bent, but that's okay. Because I might actually got a hold of him. And then I also have Lone Wanderer female, Fallout 3. Pretty good. I have the Pocket Pops Claptrap from Borderlands. That is the only one I have right now. So him over there. I don't know what you would call this. This is my only one, but it's a Harley Quinn figure. I believe it's made by Funko. Yeah. And then, got my Deadpool wallet, which I find is pretty cool. Don't know if you can see him or not, but yeah, you can't see him. I'm sorry. I've also got a Deadpool cup. He was the last one, Hastings, before they closed down. Trying to keep him clean. Good. Last one needs to be kept clean. Oh, crap. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. You can't see him, but I have the Abraham figurine too, as well as the Assassin's Creed. And this is my personal favorite pop plush because it's my only one. But it is Deadpool. And I believe he's a Hot Topic exclusive. I might be wrong. The detail is limited, but it's still pretty good. Yeah. And I also have what may consider to be some of the worst X-Men movies. I personally don't think so. I think it's a good movie. But it's the X-Men trilogy. 1, 2, and 3. I'm hoping to get it signed. Can't see it. Okay. Now, we're going to go outside. Got a new haircut. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone is gone right now, so you can't really see it. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video.